Welcome to my world. This is Amber Toy, and this is Let Us Eat. This is a special video. This is my prize vault video that I bring to you every once in a while as an incentive to gain new subscribers and to boost views. These are all the prizes that are available for the 5 items prize pack from the Dollar Tree. We just recently gave one away, and it is heading your way soon. We also keep tracking numbers for any of the prizes, including gift cards, just in case something happens along the way with the mailing route. If you are new, welcome to my channel. This is all about prizes and what you could win. When we do 100 subscribers, we issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. And the rules are as follows. If you're new, say hi in any of the comment sections, introduce yourself, become a part of my growing community. We are almost to 10,000 views from last month, growing. So thank you so much for that. You have to be a U.S. resident. If you've been around a long time, they know they have to be subscribed, a U.S. resident, and if they've won in the past 60 days, they're not qualified. And a lot of you are eligible once again from the past 60 days because we have almost 1,000 returning viewers daily. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. And the same rules apply for the 5 items prize pack from the Dollar Tree, valued at $6.25. One of the first items I have are some tea towels. They are summery ones. Perfect for Father's Day if your husband or dad loves to grill. Perfect for the kitchen if you have a red theme, unlike watermelon. Tea towels are awesome. We have a headband, also perfect for the summertime. Very fashionable. These are very popular. Then we have this cute little flamingo, and he lights up. Now, some of these prizes are from last year. This is the Poppin' toothbrush, and his head pops up. My kids love them. This is the lion, and he's available. These are book rings by Jot. It's an 8 count. All kinds of awesome DIYs, and you can use them for hanging things. If you're an organization diva, check out this and check out the ideas on Pinterest and YouTube using the rings. Newly added, this is the Cool Turtle. It is a 6-pack. You put it with your mask, and it protects your face and makeup. I thought that was pretty awesome. From this past Christmas, the wood was incredible. The wood gets better and better every year. Season's greetings. If you don't like glitter, spray it with hairspray, and it will stay put. From Crafter Square, the XO. That was from Valentine's Day. Also from Crafter Square, new. They have a big off-the-shore line. This one's not off the shore, though. This is a shore living, and it has the seahorse. From last year, this really cool ice cube tray set. I don't know if they brought them back, but they did come in fashion colors by Trays Baraka. This is from last year also, and I have seen them in the store again this year. They have a flamingo style and the pineapple style. Also new this year and new to the prize vault, the lighthouse. And it is also shore living. That is so cute. And a new set of patriotic tea towels with that ever popular gnome. If you know me, you know I am gnome crazy. You've been around on my channel a while. I love the gnomes. From last year, donut glasses. How cute. They have these every year. Their toys get better and better every year at the Dollar Tree. Also from Dollar Tree, Crafter Square. These are heart. Also, check out their seasonal section. Currently summertime. These are the drying mats. And these are the ones from this past fall with the pumpkins on it. Every year, Their seasonal gets better and better, and with that quarter price raise, if they're going to be giving you better products in larger quantities, I'm all for it. I draw. Great for the tween or teen who likes unicorns and likes to draw. Valentine's Day, they had a great selection of gift bags, and any holiday. These are a brown color with a little bit of twine from the handle, and they come in a 2-pack. I try to always buy 2-packs or more when I can. Then they had the gnomes this past fall. Pot holders. I also have a thing for pot holders as well as tea towels. They keep bringing back the straws every year. Dollar Tree has the best high-end looking straws. These are unicorns, and it's a 12-piece set. They're socks. I've been buying socks at the Dollar Tree forever. They have bum equipment and all kinds of name brands of good socks that are good quality. And you get anywhere from a 2-pack to a 4-pack. These are children's. If you have a baby, you can cut the bottom off and make super cute tights. Perfect for the patriotic holidays coming up. This is a unicorn glow stick, like the emoji on the phone. I had these plates again this past spring. I'm not sure the count. It's probably an 8-piece plate setting. It doesn't say it. Check out their selection of paper plates for special occasions. Perfect for baby showers, girl's birthday party, or fancy gathering. These were out this past Halloween for your pumpkins. It's like Mr. Potato Head, but with the pumpkin. A butterfly from Crafter Square. I don't buy a lot of makeup at Dollar Tree, but occasionally they carry Elf. That is also available. Another glow toy, and this is a giant beach ball. You put the glow stick in it, then you blow it up. Perfect for pool parties and beaches. Here are some more witches' hats. It's a sprig set, 3-piece set from Crafter Square. They are super cute. And then the truck. A lot of DIYs with that from Crafter Square. And this one's a 2-piece set. It's bracelets with the unicorn. The emoji unicorn from your phone. I believe it's the iPhone. That is it for this prize vault video. I'll show you a final look of all of the prizes available. You get 5 per prize pack, valued at $6.25. The gift cards are every 100 subscribers, and we draw 2 of them. 300 subscribers, we issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards. 1 for the newbies, 1 for people that have been around a while. The rules are, if you're new, comment in any of the videos. Let me know that you're new. Say hi. Become a part of my growing community. We're up almost 10,000 viewers from this past month. Thank you so much for that. That is all because of you. People who have been around a while know that they have to be a U.S. resident and they have to be subscribed. And if they've won the past 60 days, they're not qualified. If your name is drawn and you don't answer me within 2 days, you will be disqualified and another name will be chosen. And if it's an extreme circumstance, just email me. My email is always listed in any of the description boxes. countryboots1268@yahoo.com. For the new people, you have to be subscribed and a U.S. resident. The same rules apply to the 5 items prize pack, and we're looking for 10 more people to give out the next one. Here are the prizes once again. These are for the countertop for drying your dishes. Great stuff from Crafter Square. Seasonal glow sticks. Some personal care items. Gift bags. Eye draw for your face masks. Socks. The flamingo. Ice cube trays, straws, and the really pretty paper plates. Tea towels, oven mitts, and pool toys.